Today, I will. Today, I will make a difference. I will begin by controlling my thoughts. A person is the product of his thoughts. I want to be happy and hopeful. Therefore, I have thoughts that are happy and hopeful. I refuse to be the victim and be victimized by my circumstances. Optimism will be my companion, and victory will be my hallmark. Today, I will make a difference. I will be grateful for the 24 hours that are before me. Time is a precious commodity, and I refuse to allow what little time I have to be contaminated by self-piety, anxiety, or boredom. I will face this day with the joy of a child and courage of a giant. While it is here, I will use it for loving and giving. Today, I will make a difference. I will not let past failures haunt me. Even though my life is scarred with mistakes, I refuse to rummage through my trash heap of failures. I will admit them. I will correct them. I will press on victoriously. No failure is fatal. It's okay to stumble. I will get up. It's okay to fail. I will rise again. Today, I will make a difference. I will spend time with those I love. My spouse, my children, my family. Today, I spend 5 minutes with the significant people in my life. Today, I'll spend 5 minutes with the significant people in my world. 5 quality minutes of talking or hugging or thanking or listening. Today, I will make a difference. Max Lucado.